Good day, RC enthusiasts and YouTubers out there. Well, in my previous video, I did mention that along my video, I'm just going to say, hey, subscribe. It'll be awesome. I'm not going to go through the whole list because in the beginning and the end of my videos, add a little caption that you can subscribe, hit the like button, share button, take the bell, give it a good old smash, and leave a little comment. So that's just to keep my video viewing time shorter. But anyways, let's get into this little video. Last weekend I received some of the purple ball joints on the underlings, and a few weeks ago I made a little video about the upper links that I added the purple ball joints, and I think it adds a little flair to the purple body. And I painted the wheels and also on here on the steering linkages. But anyways, I made a video about that. So anyways, enough blah 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 about that. As you can see also in the pictures of the beginning of the video, I added a little Traxxas winch on here. I tried another winch but it didn't work, but this one does work. So yeah, just a quick video about this, and I'm just gonna make a few quick videos about certain things or whatnot. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and like I said, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate that so very 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 much. Last weekend I had to anyways, last weekend I had to add I had to make a bigger plate for the winch because the other one was working, because the base of the winch is a little bit wider. So I had to go out and make another plate for this and drill holes and things like that. So I didn't really want to make a lengthy video about it. I mean, I was for about hour and 50 minutes. I was busy with this to get it all mounted and working. So yeah, and yeah. Anyways, just show you the end product. And I don't take my RCs to an RC store because I know people want to see. Someone did mention that they want to see me making and working on my RCs, but I just want to let you know, I haven't been to an RC store in so many years. The last time I went there I had an HPI Audi Le Mans car, and it was an Audi A4 I think, or an A6. I'm not too sure which one it was. Anyways, the motor wasn't working properly, so I took it to a model store, and even they couldn't get it right. But anyways, that's many years ago. But I work on my RCs, and I have 3 T-Maxes, 2 of them I drive. But anyways, and yeah, you get a DVD video with it, so you can watch how to tune in the motor, and there's plenty of people online that also explain things like that. So just rather do it hands-on to gain that experience instead of going to the RC store every time just to get things sorted out. But I do work on my RCs. I take them apart, I put parts on, and I put them all back together. So just to let you know about that. Anyways, yeah, I've got this one all completed. It's all done now. So I get my winch sorted out and the linkages. I might put purple little ball joints at the end of my shocks, but I'm not too sure if I'm going to do that just yet because I've got everything now set up. And anyway, we'll see what happens in the future. I'll see what I'm going to do. So that's up to me, of course. But anyways, guys, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay safe, have fun, and have fun out there on the RC trails. See you in the next video. And the next video will be a bit of a building video, but I'm not going to give too much details about that. I did mention before in a few videos what I was going to do to one of my RC monster trucks. But yeah, I'm gonna have to lay everything out here just to get everything sorted out, and then I'm gonna take one corner apart, take the wheel off, take the shocks off, gotta do what I gotta do, and then that's just gonna be a reference of what I'm gonna do to the shock corners of the RC monster truck. But anyways, that'll be in the next video. So again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. See you in the next video. Okay, bye. See ya.